Hi, Kathy here from Kathyskutekreations with the gift that's going to the winner. So this is what it looks like. I have it out here on the table, but first I want to give you the dates. Here are the dates. If you can't read my writing, it is January 15th, 22nd, I can't read my writing, 29th, and February 5th. So it is 4 weeks long. And here is the long argal. Hopefully that is able for you to read it. Here is the fabrics, and Lauren, they'll be coming to you this week. A is white, in case you can't see it in my camera because I've got shadows. This is a light pink. I guess I could look on my sheet and tell you what they're called, but we're just going to go from there. So it's just for you to take a look at, so you know what you're getting. For all those that bought the kit, it'll be coming your direction. Not giving out sizes or anything, just showing you what it is. And that's it. My time limit's done. So again, congratulations to Lorraine. It'll be in the mail for you. Thanks everybody for watching.